Does your research depend on reliable and consistent cell culture? Mycoplasma contamination is a major problem in cell culture, and unlike yeast and bacteria, you can't just look under a microscope and see it. 95% of Mycoplasma contamination is caused by just 6 species, and there are a number of possible sources. Mycoplasma contamination can cause many unwanted effects on your culture and lead to unreliable experimental results. The only way to confirm Mycoplasma contamination is to perform specific testing, and InvivoGen has the perfect product for you. MycoStrip, a simple and rapid method for the detection of Mycoplasma in cell culture. Using isothermal PCR, MycoStrip is a highly sensitive and specific test. Simply prepare your sample. Combine the reaction components with your sample. Incubate at 65 degrees for 40 minutes. Stop the reaction and load the cassette. Within 2 to 5 minutes, your results will be revealed. One band is a negative result, and 2 bands is a positive result. But don't stress. If your MycoStrip test is positive, InvivoGen has the solution for you. Your culture is easily treatable with our anti-mycoplasma reagents Plasmacin or PlasmaCure. By simply treating your culture, they allow you to swiftly combat any contamination. After the 2-week treatment, simply retest using MycoStrip. MycoStrip, the new way to detect mycoplasma.